In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Google Drive into the search bar. You're looking for something from drive.google.com, and often the first search result will be the right one. Click on that link, and it will take you to Google Drive's web page. Now, generally, Google Drive might automatically log you in with your existing Google account. If that's the case, you're all set. If not, just enter your login credentials to gain access to your drive. Once logged in, let's create a new folder. You'll want to click on the New button up in the top left corner of your Drive interface and select Folder. This is a good way to keep your files organized and easier to manage. Once your folder is created, you'll need to share it. Right-click on the new folder, select Share, and then another pop-up window will appear, where you'll again click Share. This is where you start entering the email addresses of everyone you want to share the folder with. In the Add People and Groups text box, type in their email addresses. Double-check that you have them correctly laid out to prevent sending to unintended recipients. Next, decide what kind of access you want these people to have. Click on the drop-down menu next to their email addresses. You can choose between Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Each role has different levels of access, so choose carefully based on how much control you're comfortable providing. If you'd like, you can notify these individuals by checking the Notify People box. This sends them an email with a link to the folder, making it convenient for them to access it right away. When all that's in place, click Send, and the invitations will be on their way. Once your recipients have accepted the invite, let's go back to the top left corner of your drive. Click New again, but this time you'll want to select File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what you're sharing. Choose the files or folders from your computer that you wish to upload. Click Open or Upload, and the system will begin transferring them to your shared Google Drive folder. While you wait for the upload to complete, take a moment to verify that everything is going smoothly. Alternatively, there's another method for uploading. If you prefer, you can click and drag the files directly from your computer straight into the Google Drive window. Simply release the mouse button when you're hovering over the folder you're sharing, and this will initiate the upload process. So there you have it. You've successfully uploaded files to a shared Google Drive folder. Remember these steps, and sharing important files with your team or friends will be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for more helpful tips and tutorials.